At Tetra, we believe an important part of making the aquatic experience more accessible, enjoyable, and easier for our customers is to listen to them. Introducing Whisper IQ from Tetra brand. Whisper IQ is the result of in-depth research, continuous refinement, and revolutionary thinking. It's raising the bar for advanced filtration and elevating the aquatic experience through sound design. The quality inside is why Whisper IQ is one of the quietest filters on the market. The features inside Whisper IQ include a range of improvements that enhance performance, strengthen functionality, as well as offer aquarium owners increased customization and control to fit their specific needs. Whisper IQ also features technology that helps keep aquariums clean, clear, and healthy, including our all-new Stay Clean technology, which helps clarify water, reduce buildup on glass, and prevent pH crashes. Finally, the Whisper IQ includes unique design innovations that make it one of the quietest filters available. A submerged motor reduces noise, while a soft sound shield dampener augments noise reduction by separating the motor from the body of the filter. As a result, Whisper IQ generates sound levels of less than 40 decibels. Altogether, the quality found inside Whisper IQ is what makes it one of the best filters in its class and one of the quietest filters around.